In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list all Google Drive links in a Google Sheet without needing any extra tools or coding know-how. We're about to dive into a simple and straightforward process, so have your Google Drive and Google Sheets open and ready to go. First, open up a new Google Sheet. This is where we'll be gathering and organizing all our Google Drive links. Once your sheet is up, navigate to the top menu and click on the Extensions tab. This is your gateway to a host of features, one of which we'll utilize today. After clicking on Extensions, look for the option labeled App Script and select it. If you're not familiar with App Script, think of it as Google's way of letting you automate tasks and integrate with Google's platform. Now, I know I promised no coding would be needed, so here's where the magic happens. You'll need a pre-written script. Head over to the provided Google Drive link where you'll find a script file. Open it up and simply highlight the entire code provided. Head back to the app script editor you opened earlier and paste the code you've copied. Make sure it's all there, and once pasted, hit save. It's always a great idea to double check that no part of the code was left out or altered. Saving your code ensures it's safely stored and ready to run. Next, in the app script editor, look for the run option, click on it to execute the script. Running the script for the first time will prompt a permissions review. Google will require you to authorize this script to access your Drive data. This is crucial since without granting these permissions, the script won't work. You'll be asked to select the Google account you wish to grant access to, choose the right account where your desired Google Drive files reside. When prompted to review the permissions, go ahead and select all to enable the script to work with your data fully, then click Continue. After granting the necessary permissions, navigate back to your Google Sheet where a new menu item labeled as List Files Folders should appear. Click on this menu item and select List All Files and Folders. This triggers the script to crawl through your Google Drive and list out all the links within the sheet. For those who intend to list files from specific folders, head over to your Google Drive and open the folder in question. Copy the folder ID from the URL, the series of characters at the end, and paste it back into the dialog box in your Google Sheet. Hit OK and let the script do the heavy lifting for you. So there you have it, a quick tool-free method to compile all your Google Drive links into one easy to manage spreadsheet. This approach keeps you organized and saves heaps of time. Enjoy staying organized and see you next time.